global leader in promoting good corporate governance. And the mission of the institute, high caliber professionals facilitating good corporate governance. In line with our vision and mission, and furthering the cause of the good governance among the corporates in India, the institute last year decided to conduct the first corporate governance week throughout the country, and we have continued as a national event, and this year we are conducting the second of the such event. The idea behind the institute is to conduct this kind of an annual event, particularly on the good corporate governance, is to create awareness, propagate the best practices of corporate governance, and mainstream the corporate responsibility in the social fabric. The ICSA Corporate Governance Week celebrations started yesterday with an inauguration of a seminar at Bangalore, which was inaugurated by Justice Mr. Venkatachalaya, the former Chief Justice of Supreme Court of India. And today we are having a second program at Hyderabad, which will be followed by the programs at Mumbai, Kolkata, and Delhi. Finally, the concluding program at Delhi will be called as a corporate governance conclave, which will be inaugurated by the Honorable Minister of Corporate Affairs, Sri Veerappa Moily, at a very grand function scheduled on 31st of August. I would also like to tell you the initiatives of the institute, particularly with regard to the corporate governance. Recently, the MCA constituted a committee to formulate a policy document of corporate governance under the chairmanship of Mr. Adik Godrej. In this regard, the concept paper has been circulated by the institute, which will facilitate the public discussion and also serve as a basis for the deliberations of the committee. I am happy to tell you the president of our institute is also the member of the Corporate Governance Policy Committee, which is headed by Mr. Godrej. ICSA instituted a National Award for Excellence in Corporate Governance to recognize and promote best practices of governance